Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Discover app update fail. If an app update fails, first check your device storage. Head over to your settings apps, go to iPhone storage, and then check if you have sufficient space or not. Large updates need extra space, so make sure to clear as much storage as you can so you can download large updates. Then make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If not, then make sure you're connected to the stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Next, restart your phone, then try the update from the App Store or Play Store. Go to your App Store, search for Discover Mobile and update your app. Updating your app will fix bugs, issues, and will update to latest version. If it continues to fail, uninstall and reinstall the app to your account. Data remains safe if linked. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.